The Weathertech DigitalFit floor liners are one of the most popular options available for the 2015 and newer Challenger owners out there who are looking for all-out protection for both the front and rear carpets in your ride. Now, as the name implies, guys, the DigitalFit mats will deliver that laser-measured finish along with the TPE material and raised edges on all sides, along with that lifetime warranty, of course, for right around the mid to high $100 price point. So Weathertech is one of those companies that really needs no introduction in the automotive aftermarket, as they've really helped create and innovate both the automotive interior and exterior game. Now, the liner category in particular is one of the company's strong suits, and they've really taken their years of experience and knowledge and just poured it into all of their offerings, including the OG liner. Basically, you're looking at the liners that started it all for Weathertech, the DigitalFit front and rear liners for the two-wheel drive Challenger here in particular. Now, these liners are, again, the DigitalFit variety, meaning they have been laser measured to fit the floor pan like a glove, and judging by the overwhelming number of 5-star reviews on the site, it really appears that Challenger owners certainly agree. And the reason for the success of these mats is a simple one, right? To keep your carpets clean from dirt, mud, snow, rain, spills, whatever, thanks to the intuitive design that keeps all of that junk on the liner itself and off of your carpet. Now, Weathertech is able to accomplish this thanks to the raised edges on all sides, as you guys can see here, along with the channels and the reservoir on both the front mats here that are going to help keep everything contained, whether it's the spills, the mud, the snow, whatever. Now, the best part is once these guys get a little bit dirty and it's time to clean everything off, well, you're just simply going to yank these guys out, hose them off, and throw them back in, and you're good to go. Materials, again, will be that high density plastic material, TPE, which is very tough overall, but without being too slippery once things get a little bit wet. That is some of my complaints sometimes with a thicker mat like this. That's not the case here. There is some texture built into the Weathertech that I feel adds a little bit of grip when things do get wet. Now, the molded shape and the great fit really do help prevent these liners from sliding around under your feet. However, to further help prevent these things from moving around on you, they have incorporated the factory style anchor system, as you can see down here on the bottom, and that's gonna help keep the liners where they should be at all times. Now, as Weathertech is proud to point out with a lot of their products, including these, the mats or liners have been made here in the USA from recyclable materials, and again, are backed by a limited lifetime warranty in case you run into any issues. But now let's segue into the install, and yes, as you might imagine, this one is gonna be pretty straightforward, guys, but nevertheless, to give you a better idea of how things will go down on your Challenger at home, check out an AM customer walking you through the job right now.
So actually the toughest thing here is this little hook. So you kind of reach underneath, get the hook off, and you can extract the front. Now, to get the front mat back in, again, be cognizant of that little hook hole. So, kind of walk it in, feed it in. Let's see if we can find there you go. Okay. That is the old mat. They're nice, but they wear out, and you got to continually vacuum here. These, again, basically just fit right in, which is nice. So, let's set this back. Seat comes back in.
So if you're looking to help keep the front and rear carpets in your Challenger looking like new, well then, you'll want to consider the Weathertech DigitalFit liners right here at AmericanMuscle.com.